What's up, guys? Welcome to the first Prank Master video. Today we are going to be doorbell ditching. Let's get straight into the video. We're on to the first house. We're back at the first house we started with. Let's see if we can get them again. It might have looked like we just got caught just barely, but we did not. We ran past to another cul-de-sac in the neighborhood area, and we ran past there. The dog came. We made it safely,
though. We ran past the fence, then we turned when he ran, and we just barely came.
We barely made it before he came. I was looking back the whole time, and I thought they were going to catch us. They didn't. To the first house. Isaac, stop! Right here. Okay. Ow! Step on my toe.
I'm too tall. I'll pretend like I'm short for now. Then I'll say I go through puberty.
We're